Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I have this very exciting news for you, but about that just a little bit later on. For now, I just wanted to show you this is the painting we're gonna paint today, this monochrome seascape, and I hope you will enjoy it. I think this will be fun and quite easy. I will be using only two colors, Indigo and Payne's Gray. If you have Indigo color and Payne's Gray, perfect. If not, just use just for that gray color, use mix of some darker blue and some darker brown, a little bit more blue than a brown. And instead of Indigo, you can use just even a little bit more of that blue in your mix. First, I'm making my sketch and I'm sketching the part where the beach is, the land is, then the horizon line, and after that, a couple of mountains that some of them will be a little bit closer to us and some of them will be a little bit farther away. After that, I'm pre-wetting the entire paper using just only clean water, and afterwards with just a light wash of Payne's Gray, I'm painting in the sky and also the sea. See, I am painting a little bit darker, adding a little bit more of that Payne's Gray, because when it dries it will be quite light. Then again with the Payne's Gray, I'm adding in the clouds and I'm just tapping in the paint on the upper part of the sky. I do want them to appear larger, and going into middle and down to the horizon line, I do want them to be a little bit smaller. Then I'm using Indigo and painting in the part nearest to the horizon line. Again, when this dries, it will be quite light. With a script brush, I'm adding a couple of more light, very light clouds. So I was saying I have this very exciting news for you guys, and if maybe you've noticed, maybe you haven't, there is this little button appeared next to my subscribe button, that is a join button, and I just wanted to say that I am having now the membership to my channel and you can join into my membership. For more details, just press that button with no obligations and you will hear a little bit more details about that, all the terms and the perks. There are some awesome perks, and also for just small monthly fee you will get those awesome and great perks. But don't feel obligated to do that. Nothing will change on my channel, everything will stay the same. I would appreciate a lot if you would join in, helping me achieving my goal and making this my living, doing this my living. But maybe just check it out, press that button, hear what I have to say about it, read some terms and perks, and I hope I'll see you there. So after the paint completely dried, I moved on to painting the land, which I painted in Payne's Gray, just a light wash, and I'm not gonna try to make it darker. I don't want this painting to be any dark. I do really want it to be quite light. And then with a mix of Indigo and Payne's Gray, I've painted in the mountains, and I will be adding a little bit more layers to them when they dry. The one that are further away from us, I do want them to appear a little bit lighter, and you will see later on the ones that are near to us will be a little bit darker. Also, if you join my membership, you can find this video in real time, and all the videos there are gonna be in real time, because I did imagine to make that part of my channel, that membership part of my channel, the part where we're gonna paint together and where you can just put the tutorial and paint with me in real time and follow every step of the way, because I know a lot of you have been asking for real-time videos, but somehow I don't think that's everybody's cup of tea, and I think more people like maybe shorter videos and where I explain a couple of details that are actually the most important and maybe the hardest in some painting. And not everybody does like to paint and take a look at the video in a real time. So if you want a real-time tutorials, real-time videos, well, just that is the perfect part of my channel. That is the perfect thing for you to join in my channel. Also, I did make with a script brush couple of, again, those lines. This time I did not prevent the paper, just making appear that there is some movement in the sea, and then added a light wash on the left and on the right side with that Payne's gray. Also, I've added a couple of sun rays because I thought that would look nice. And with that, I'm finishing off this painting and this video. Thank you guys a lot for watching, for all your support. I really do appreciate that. And if you haven't still, please subscribe to my channel. That would really mean a lot to me. And I hope I'll see you next time. Bye!